Welcome to mapsofindia.com, your guide through an exciting and diversified journey to the beautiful states of our incredible country, India. Today, we are here to take you on a trip through Mizoram. Let's discover what makes this state of Mizoram so special. Mizoram is also known as the land of the hill people. It gets this name from the Mizo people, who are the predominant ethnic group in the state. The name Mizoram itself comes from Mizo, the native people, and Ram, which means land, meaning land of the Mizos. Mizoram is one of the seven sisters of northeast India, bordered by Myanmar, formerly known as Burma. Mizoram is one of the seven northeastern states of India. Mizoram shares its borders with Tripura to the northwest, Assam to the north, and Manipur to the northeast. It also touches international borders, Myanmar to the east and south and Bangladesh to the west. Mizoram, formerly part of Assam as the Lush Hills district, underwent a significant transformation to become a full-fledged state of India. Before independence, it was a part of British-administered Assam, but after India gained freedom in 1947, the region continued as a district within Assam. Due to growing political and ethnic aspirations, the Mizo people demanded greater autonomy, leading to its recognition as a union territory in 1972. However, political unrest and insurgency, led by the Mizo National Front (MNF), persisted for years. This was resolved by signing the historic Mizoram Peace Accord in 1986 between the Indian government and MNF, ending the conflict. As a result, Mizoram was granted full statehood on February 20, 1987, becoming the 23rd state of India. Since then, it has emerged as one of the most peaceful states in the northeast, known for its rich culture, literacy rate, and scenic landscapes. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. It is also the largest city in the state and serves as the political, cultural, and economic center of Mizoram. The total area of Mizoram is 21,081 square kilometers. The estimated population of Mizoram as of 2025 is around 1,410,000, making it the second least populated state in India. Mizoram has 11 districts. Mizoram has a rich history shaped by its indigenous Mizo people, colonial rule, political movements, and eventual statehood. The Mizos, along with other related tribes of the northeast, are believed to have migrated from China and Tibet, passing through Myanmar, Burma, before settling in the hills of present-day Mizoram around 300–1400 CE. They were part of the larger Tibeto-Burman ethnic group and shared linguistic and cultural similarities with other tribal communities in the northeast. They settled in the hills of present-day Mizoram, developing a unique culture, language, and traditions. Before British rule, the Mizo tribes lived in independent, clan-based villages, often engaging in inter-tribal conflicts and practicing shifting cultivation. Unlike mainland India, Mizoram remained isolated from major ancient civilizations like the Mauryas, Guptas, and Mughals, as it was located in a remote and difficult-to-access mountainous region. There is no evidence of Hindu, Buddhist, or Jain influence in its early history, which sets it apart from other Indian states. Though Mizoram remained largely untouched by major Indian empire, some Ahom, Assamese, and Manipuri rulers occasionally interacted with the Mizo tribes through trade or conflicts. The British first came into contact with the Mizo tribes in the late 19th century, mainly due to conflicts between the British and tribal warriors, known as the Lush Expedition, 1871–72. By 1890, the British had annexed the Lush Hills, now Mizoram, and incorporated it into Assam as an administrative district. The British introduced modern administration, roads, and Christianity, which profoundly impacted the Mizo society. After India gained independence in 1947, Mizoram remained part of Assam. However, the Mizos increasingly felt the need for self-rule. The demand for autonomy grew stronger, especially after the Mutum famine in 1959, when the Indian government's inadequate response led to resentment. This led to the Mizo National Front (MNF) formation in 1961, which launched an insurgency for independence in 1966. The Indian government responded by sending the army, and Mizoram was declared a disturbed area. To address the unrest, Mizoram was granted Union Territory status in 1972, separating from Assam. However, tensions remained, and negotiations between the MNF and the Indian government continued. A breakthrough came on June 30, 1986, when the Mizoram Peace Accord was signed between the MNF and the Indian government. This accord ended 2 decades of insurgency and paved the way for Mizoram to become a full-fledged state on February 20, 1987. Mizoram has several rivers that flow through its hilly terrain, primarily from the state's highlands and into neighboring states or countries. 1. Talong River. The Talong River is the longest river in Mizoram. covering 185 kilometers within the state. It originates from Zopwi Hill in the Mamid district and flows through several towns before merging with the Barak River in Assam. The river passes near Aizawl, the state capital, making it an essential water source for local communities. 2. Tuavaul River. The Tuavaul River is 72 kilometers long and originates in the Sichel district. It is one of the many tributaries of the Talong River, contributing to its flow. 3. Tuchang River. The Tuchang River is 110 kilometers long, originates in Langley district, and merges into the Mat River. It serves as a crucial water source for many villages and agricultural lands in the southern part of Mizoram. 4. Tuipui River. The Tuipui River flows for 85 kilometers, originating in Champhai district and eventually crossing the border into Myanmar. It is one of the rivers contributing to cross-border trade and cultural exchanges between the Mizo people and ethnic communities in Myanmar. Mizoram has a vibrant culture deeply rooted in the traditions, festivals, music, dance, and lifestyle of the Mizo people. The state is known for its strong community bonds, colorful festivals, traditional music and dance, unique attire, and delicious cuisine. Despite modernization, the Mizos have preserved their cultural identity while embracing contemporary influences. Mizo traditional clothing is beautifully woven and colorful, reflecting people's artistic skills. Women wear a pung, a finely woven wraparound skirt, along with a matching top. Men traditionally wear a pung with a white jacket and a turban. The designs and patterns of the pung vary based on tribal identity, occasions, and status. While modern clothing is typical, people still wear traditional attire during festivals and ceremonies. Festivals in Mizoram are lively and filled with music, dance, and feasting. Some of the most important festivals include Chapcharkot, the most popular festival, celebrated after June cultivation with traditional dance and music. Mimkut is a harvest festival dedicated to honoring deceased ancestors, while Polkut marks the harvest season with feasts and thanksgiving. As a predominantly Christian state, Mizoram also celebrates Christmas and New Year with great enthusiasm, with churches organizing special prayers and feasts. Dance and music are integral to Mizo culture and are performed during festivals, celebrations, and community gatherings. Some popular Mizo dances include Chero, bamboo dance, the most famous dance of Mizoram, where performers skillfully step between moving bamboo poles. Kualam is a dance performed to welcome guests during festivals, while Che Lam is a lively dance where people sing and move in rhythm while sitting or standing in a circle. Another significant dance is Sarlamkai, a war dance historically performed to celebrate victory in battles. Traditional Mizo music is primarily vocal, accompanied by instruments like gongs, drums, and bamboo flutes. Modern Mizo music blends Western influences with traditional sounds. Mizos are skilled artisans known for their hand-woven textiles, bamboo, and cane products. Women engage in weaving, creating beautiful pung, Mizo shawls, with intricate patterns. Bamboo craft is also a significant part of the culture, with artisans making baskets, furniture, and household items. These crafts not only reflect the artistic traditions of Mizoram but also provide an important source of livelihood for many people. The primary language spoken in Mizoram is Mizo, Dalian dialect, which serves as the state's official language. Mizo belongs to the Tibeto-Burman language family and is widely spoken by most people. The language has several dialects, as Mizoram is home to multiple ethnic groups, each with unique linguistic variations. Over time, the Dalian dialect, also called Luce, has become the standard form of communication across the state. Besides Mizo, English is an official language widely used in education, administration, and government affairs. Since Mizoram has a high literacy rate, English is commonly spoken, especially in urban areas, schools, and offices. It plays a significant role in higher education and official communication. Different tribal communities speak several other indigenous languages and dialects in Mizoram. These include Lai, Pavi, Mara, Lakha, Ma, Pite, and Ralte. These languages are mainly spoken in specific regions and among particular ethnic groups. Mizo cuisine is simple, flavorful, and influenced by the region's natural ingredients. It mainly consists of rice, bamboo shoots, pork, chicken, fish, and fresh vegetables. The food is typically mild in spice, prepared with minimal oil, and focuses on healthy, organic ingredients. Here are the top 10 dishes of Mizoram. 1. Bai. Bai is a traditional Mizo stew made with vegetables, bamboo shoots, and pork, or other meats. It is cooked with minimal spices and flavored with local herbs. Bai is one of Mizo cuisine's healthiest dishes and a staple in most households. 2. Vavka Rep. Vavka Rep is a delicious smoked pork dish slow-cooked with local spices and herbs. This dish is a favorite among meat lovers in Mizoram. 3. Sanpia. Sanpia is a popular Mizo snack that resembles a rice porridge or congee. 4. Sauchier. Sauchier is a rice and meat dish similar to a simple stew. It is commonly prepared for special occasions and family gatherings. 5. Chamha. Chamha is a healthy vegetable stew, usually made by boiling vegetables like cabbage, beans, carrots, and bamboo shoots without oil. It is a staple for those who prefer a light and nutritious meal. 6. Bekang, fermented soybeans. Bekang is a traditional Mizo fermented soybean dish. It is often served as a side dish or added to stews like bai. 7. Bamboo shoot curry. Bamboo shoots are an essential ingredient in Mizo cuisine. They are commonly used in various curries, typically cooked with pork, fish, or chicken. The shoots can be fresh or fermented, adding a distinct tangy flavor to the curry. This dish is usually served with steamed rice. 8. Miso makpura. Miso makpura is a grilled shrimp dish prepared by marinating fresh shrimp with lemon juice, mustard oil, and chilies before grilling over an open flame. 9. Panch Foran Taka. This dish is a vegetarian stir-fry made using panch foran, a blend of 5 spices, vegetables, and mustard oil. It is influenced by Bengali cuisine and is commonly enjoyed with rice. 10. Kot pita. Kot pita is a Mizo-style banana fritter made with mashed bananas, rice flour, and jaggery. It is deep-fried until golden brown. It is a popular tea-time snack enjoyed by both children and adults. Mizoram, known as the land of the hill people, is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. The state has lush green hills, breathtaking waterfalls, serene lakes, and unique cultural sites. Here are the top 10 tourist attractions in Mizoram. 1. Aizawl, the scenic capital. Aizawl, the capital city of Mizoram, is a beautiful hill station surrounded by lush green hills. It offers panoramic views of the Talong River Valley and the Dirtlang Hills. The city is also home to Solomon's Temple, Mizoram State Museum, and Bara Bazaar, where visitors can explore Mizo culture, history, and handicrafts. 2. Riik Talang, Riik Peak. About 29 kilometers from Aizawl, Riik Peak provides a breathtaking view of the surrounding valleys and hills. It is a popular spot for trekking and picnics. On the way up, visitors can explore the Riik Heritage Village, which showcases traditional Mizo houses and cultural exhibits. 3. Vantoing Falls. Vantoing Falls, the highest waterfall in Mizoram, cascades from 750 feet, located in Sechib district, about 137 kilometers from Aizawl. The waterfall is surrounded by thick forests and offers a picturesque view. The best time to visit is during the monsoon, when the waterfall is at its full glory. 4. Phongpui National Park, Blue Mountain National Park. Phongpui, also known as the Blue Mountain, is the highest peak in Mizoram at 2,157 meters. It is a part of Phongpui National Park, home to rare wildlife such as cloud-eyed leopards, gibbons, and Himalayan black bears. The scenic beauty of rolling hills covered in orchids and rhododendrons makes it worth it for nature lovers. 5. Tamdil Lake. Tamdil Lake, which means Lake of Mustard, is a serene and picturesque body of water located 85 kilometers from Aizawl in the Sichel district. It is the largest lake in Mizoram and is surrounded by lush forests. Tourists can enjoy boating, fishing, and picnicking, making it a perfect getaway for relaxation. 6. Murle National Park. Murle National Park, located in Champhai district, is a biodiversity hotspot with dense forests that receive little sunlight. It is home to leopards, barking deer, Himalayan bears, and over 150 bird species, making it ideal for wildlife enthusiasts and bird watchers. 7. Rih Dil, Heart-Shaped Lake. Rih Dil, a heart-shaped lake, is a sacred and legendary water body for the Mizo people. Although located in Myanmar, it is just 3 kilometers from the Indo-Myanmar border and can be visited from Champhai town. According to Mizo folklore, the souls of the dead pass through this lake on their way to the afterlife. 8. Damper Tiger Reserve. Damper Tiger Reserve, in Mamit district, is the largest wildlife sanctuary in Mizoram, covering 550 square kilometers. It is home to tigers, leopards, elephants, and various species of deer and birds. The reserve offers jungle safaris and is a great destination for adventure lovers. 9. Falcon Village, Mizo Cultural Village. Falcon Village, located 18 kilometers from Aizawl, is a model Mizo village that showcases the traditional lifestyle, houses, and customs of the Mizo people. Visitors can experience Mizo culture, music, dance, and handicrafts, making it an essential stop for cultural tourism. 10. Champhai, the rice bowl of Mizoram. Champhai, located near the Myanmar border, is famous for its rolling rice fields, vineyards, and breathtaking landscapes. The town offers a stunning view of the Myanmar hills and is a hub for cross-border trade. It is also home to Liachi Langale Talang, a legendary cliff with a romantic folklore story. Thanks a lot for joining us on this journey through Mizoram. Subscribe to mapsofindia.com if you would like to know more about the amazing states of India. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family.